Good morning, everyone. What an action-packed week it has been as we reopen school after the winter break. This is Mazin from grade 7D here to share the highlights of the week. We kicked off the week with welcoming assemblies across all the sections. Our KG sections, where our adorable KG students participated in a fun and lively welcome back to school program. Their smiles and energy set the perfect tone for the week ahead. Our primary section, where students from grade 3 onwards took part in asset exams while also gearing up for the sports day on 9th January at the Royal Academy Ajman. It was truly a show of teamwork, sportsmanship and dedication. The secondary section focused on academics with the asset exams for grade 6 to 9, while grade 10 and higher secondary students concentrated on pre-board revision and doubt clearing sessions to improve their preparations. The week reached its peak with the annual sports meet Spartans 2025-26 at the Quattro Sports Center, Ajman. We were honored to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Saif Ahmed Muhammad Al-Abdoli, licensing and permit executive from APA, and our guest of honor, Mrs. Husaina Begum, principal of our sister school Bloomington Academy Ajman and a recognized leader in the British curriculum. Their inspiring presence motivated our athletes and added prestige to the event. The sports meet featured an exciting march past, torch relay and oath-taking ceremony, followed by thrilling competitions in handball, throwball, football, volleyball and track events including 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter, 800 meter and 4x100 meter relay. Students, teachers and parents all joined the celebration, making it a truly memorable day. The Spartans 2025-26 champions truly demonstrated skill, teamwork and determination. In the boys section, Earth House claimed first place, followed by Wind House in second, while Water and Fire Houses shared third place. In the girls section, Firehouse took the top spot, with Water, Wind and Earth Houses completing the rankings. Our individual champions shone brilliantly. Nancy Thalia of 10B, Firehouse, led the seniors. Leona Misquith of 8B, Windhouse, topped the juniors. And Sri Nidhi Sundar of 7B, Earth House, excelled in sub-juniors, each displaying remarkable talent, determination and sportsmanship. The week has been a perfect blend of preparation, learning and incredible sportsmanship, highlighting the teamwork, energy and spirit that makes our school community shine. Congratulations to all the Spartans that made the start of the year unforgettable.